Puts up with anything. It's the most laid back dog ever. It's not gentle. Oh, Brock, you're so sweet. You're being a good boy. Oh, good boy, Brock. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, I'm sorry, Torment. You getting the doggy? You gonna check his teeth? Are you checking the doggy's teeth? Or are you playing with his little whiskers? Oh, I think he's... Are those his teeth? What's in there? Doggy has teeth too? Say good boy. Good boy, that's right. Say Brock. Can you give him kisses? Give him kisses, Ella. Kisses. Oh, Brock. You're being so good. I think he's tired. Yeah. All done.